Good morning, your average investor. Today we're taking a quick look at Nancy Pelosi again in news and her investment in a San Francisco commercial property through REOF XXVI, so 25th LLC. So Nancy Pelosi, former U.S. Speaker of the House, has built up quite the reputation, not just for her political prowess, but her also success in the stock market. Now, it's no joke that her husband also runs a very well-timed trading hedge fund that makes headlines pretty regularly. So speaking both from admiration, controversy, everything else that we like to talk about in the stock market, it's interesting to see a little different style of investment. Now, this one is a real estate investment, and so on September 13th, on Friday, the stock trading radar alerted that Pelosi is expanding her investment portfolio in a more literal sense. According to congressional trade reports, the representative of California's 11th Congressional District made a significant move into the commercial real estate market. Kind of interesting place to be. So notably, some of the purchase of the commercial office property in San Francisco shows that there's this huge booming value of high-stake real estate up in the Bay Area. So interesting take on some of this. You know, why is this drawing our attention? It's because the decision to invest through personal ownership of her actually investing directly in the REIT suggests that she's directly betting on the success of the property. So in our mind, we're saying, okay, there's got to be something here. Now, sadly, we can't invest in this, so that kind of stinks. But if you look at kind of the transaction type of how Pelosi did it, she slowly started putting money in. And so while the office space in the San Francisco market is rebounding post-pandemic, a lot of the tech giants are actually moving out of the city. So the investment could pay well, depending on if they can bring some new blood into it. But a lot of the big, long-standing tech giants have said that they will remain put. That said, take a few look at some of the items. So the property in question that some of these are drawing attention to is this 631 Howard Street in San Francisco. So the investment was made in the form of asset-backed securities, a type of investment that is backed by a pool of assets, loans, things like that. A lot of debt notes is usually what goes into this. So there's a few websites that we like to take a look at. Investing.com flagged it right away. Nancy Pelosi invested in San Francisco commercial property 9 hours ago. If you take a look at a few of the settings in here, there's a new disclosure for the former House Speaker Pelosi. She reported an LLC investment by her spouse, Paul Pelosi. No difference there. Always doing it through the hedge fund, through, quote, reputable trades. She invested $500,000 into this new REOF fund, which is private, thus we can't as investors look to do it. But it's just something to note that she's betting on the real estate inside of the San Francisco area. Additionally, if you look at this right here, so the report was published on the 12th. She traded on the 13th. Here's her funds right here. Pretty cool website. This is Capital Trades. New to us, but it is a way to track kind of what's going on, what the people are doing, how many years they've been active, and how many trades they've had. So 60 trades right here. A lot of NVIDIA, a lot of Broadcom, Tesla, Visa, Palo Alto, back to NVIDIA, Apple. So she seems to be tech, which makes total sense given her district. She has a large sway of influence of regulation and policy in that kind of area. And take a look at this. Pretty darn new. One trade, one politician, one filing, and it's by, you guessed it, Nancy Pelosi. So anyways, put your thoughts, comments in down below. Real estate right now seems to be kind of the headstrong of what a lot of the firms are looking for. BlackRock's a big player on that. If you want to see a video on BlackRock, what they're doing to the commercial real estate property as well as residential and family homes, let us know in the comments. Subscribe, help us monetize the channel. We would love to do more giveaways. We did one a while back. We want to do another one. Give back to the people that are supporting us. And if you want to see another video, put it in the comments as well. We'll do something specific on what you guys want, more of a take a request style. And have a great weekend, everybody.